Moving one step further, we have some other components in marksheet. What are that other components? Marks obtained? Yes, marks obtained. Enter. I have to adjust this and double click. So what do you think that if I double click to adjust the size of the cell, do you think that student 1 marks in finance is 72? Do you think it should change when I double click on this? Obviously not. But when I double click, it changes. Why? Because the formula suggests that ran between. It means that Excel sheet refreshes and processes the data again whenever you change any of the cell contents or whatever you do. So on every refresh, Excel checks the formula again. It says ran between, it will again give a random number. Excel sheet refreshes, it checks the formula again, it again suggests the ran between, so it will give again a random number. So we need to avoid this situation. What you will do in this situation? Just delete the formula? No, because the values are coming directly from the formula. So if you don't have the formula, you don't have the value. So Control Z is for undo. What I will do is just select all the cells containing this formula. Now what I have to do is do something like keep values but remove formulas kind of thing. So for that, you just need to copy this whole range. You can see the dancing selection. Now what you will do is right click just anywhere. No, not anywhere, but in the first cell. Right click and go to paste. No, pasting is the same thing as you did before, so it will again paste the same thing. I'll go in paste special options. Now you also have some shortcuts at the top, but I will go and see full options. In the paste special, I will click on this. Now you can see that you have some options. What you want to do, paste all, means paste all the same way that it is. Paste formulas or paste values. I need to paste values only. So I'll just click on this and click OK. Wow, you have removed the formulas, but you have kept the values. How you know this? Because this is the content bar. Means it's mentioned that this is formula bar, but I call this a content bar. Okay. Now I want to clear this dancing selection also. So just press escape and there you go. So that's about it. We will see some of the other important steps in the next videos.